Hello, my name is Irina and welcome to my channel, which is called Traditionals. In this my first video, I would like to introduce myself and tell you a bit about me and my journey. Crocheting is not just a hobby for me. For me, it's the way to relax and to find peace. It's my type of meditation. There is something incredibly satisfying about turning a simple ball of yarn into a beautiful piece of art, whether it is clothing, accessory, or home decor. I discovered my love for crochet at the age of 14, and since then I couldn't stop. I was born in Kazakhstan and lived some years in Russia, and for the last 3 years I have been living in the vibrant city of Barcelona. And almost 2 years ago, I started my clothing brand here, and every piece is made by crocheting. And this is my baby, my love, my soul. So I will add all the links below to this video. And recently I've had the pleasure of hosting offline events. It was crochet workshops, and I absolutely loved the experience. It inspired me to start this channel, Traditionals, to share my knowledge, my passion to wider audience. I hope to inspire you and teach you the art of crochet. We will begin with the basics, and I'm thrilled to have you on this journey with me. So let's get started. And of course, feel free to ask any questions you have in these comments below this video, and I will be more than happy to answer them. See